Greenspan swings and fouls it back.
You see what Joe Mauer just did? Watch this. So, saved a run on a wild pitch. Watch this, folks. The bricks here at Nats Park. Joe, catch this without looking, please. Thanks. Are you kidding me?
Yeah.
Come on.
Crew Chief Tim Welke, working behind the plate, leans over and says, "You got to be kidding me."
Oh, that's going to be in top plays for sure.
Little nonchalant behind the back grab. And Mauer wants to go out and talk to Correa.
You can go out there and say, "Hey, Kevin, did you see that play I just made?"
Right.
Did you see what I did right there? The ball hit the bricks. I didn't even look and put my glove out, and it went right into my glove. Yeah, it's a good play. Now
That was a great play.
We got worried about this 3-2 pitch right here first. Okay, watch this. Just a little peek over the shoulder.
Yeah.
Then put the glove out, and just this way. I got it.
Yeah.
Come on. That's awesome.